Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to a Decentralized Bull channel. I'm your host, Mario Decentralized. I'm in crypto for almost a decade. I bought Bitcoin at $350. I bought BNB at $2. I bought XRP at 0.2 cents, and I'm working with various crypto projects together. So I have a lot of knowledge and information to share with you. So make sure you stick until the end of the video, subscribe, like, share this video with your friends if you want to get them into the decentralized space and get them start trading and buying Bitcoin and having ownership over their own assets. That's a very important thing about decentralization. Now, without further ado, we're gonna jump into the charts, look what happened to Bitcoin during the night and where I think the price will go for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major altcoins. So right here we have the Bitcoin chart, and as we can see, Bitcoin went below the white support line here, and it looks like we created a lower low here on the shorter time frame, like for the couple since I don't know, since 19 we didn't have a lower point than this since the 19th of December. Now we can see we went a little bit lower. We almost touched the red line that I put here as support at 41,000, and in my opinion we will probably touch also the blue line here and the bottom of this rectangle, this purple rectangle here. I think that's very likely. We can also even dip down below to this red trend line there that we had for a lot of time. You can see it here, starting from the beginning of from the end of October to the beginning of December. We had this trend line here, and then we started to go a little bit parabolic from this point because of the ETF news anticipation and many other bullish news for Bitcoin and the crypto space. Now we can see we are retracing a little bit down. We're getting closer and closer to the ETF decision. So people are probably taking some chips off the table just in case we might see a delay of the ETF on the 10th of January. So if we will see a delay or not approval of the ETF, then this would mean the market will probably correct down. Could be even the $32,000 in my opinion. That's around the time when the ETF rumors started to come up. So I think that's a quite possible scenario, and this is nothing new. We had 30-40% dips during the bull markets before many times, so it's going to be nothing new. You just need to be very careful. Make sure if you're trading leverage, you have proper stop losses and proper take profits. Once you are in the profit, move your stop loss either to break even or already in the profit zone. Like that, you make sure you protect your capital. That's one of the most important lessons in crypto, in my opinion. Now, where do I think the price will go? I think my bearish price targets are, if the ETF doesn't get approved, I think we could touch the 32,000. I think that's a very possible situation. And if we jump off the 32,000, I'm still remaining bullish. If we're gonna break below the $32,000 area, I think we might see bigger retracement, even like we might see, because we're gonna break this trend right here. As you can see, we have this blue diagonal line here, and if we go below that, we are kind of starting to break the upwards trend that we had for the whole year of 2023. Now, if we will manage to break above the purple rectangle zone, then the next price target for Bitcoin would be the $46,500. Let's see if we will touch that. I will for sure not sell any of my long-term holdings like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm just gonna make maybe some quick trades on futures on the derivatives market, on Bybit down below. If you are an experienced trader, make sure we have a $30,000 bonus for you after sign up and first deposit, and we also have a $500 free $500 free Bitcoin position. So make sure to take advantage of this opportunity. It's a free $500 position. You just need to sign up and deposit $100. And then you get a free $500 Bitcoin position. You can either go do it in long or short. So you can trade both the markets, and you can use this bonus as a kickstart for your trading career. Now let's jump to the Ethereum chart and see what is happening there. Now, as we can see here, Ethereum still looking bullish here. Like we have this trend line here. Let me quickly draw it here. So we have this trend here, and we didn't broke it yet. So once Ethereum will go below this white line, I will start to worry a bit about the Ethereum price, because if we're gonna see rejection of the spot Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum and all the other icons will be draw down as well with the Bitcoin price. So we could technically see even $1,800 and I think even $1,500 Ethereum. Those two are very possible scenarios if the ETF doesn't get approved, because very many people are anticipating this ETF. So if the ETF doesn't get approved, then we will probably see these lower price targets. And there is also where I'm gonna put my buying orders. Like I'm gonna put buying orders at $1,560 for Ethereum and $1,900 for Ethereum, because I think those projects are like projects like Ethereum or Chainlink have a big upside potential. I think in the next bull market we will definitely see a $10,000 Ethereum on spot. So make sure that those are like 500% on spot with a 10x leverage. That's 5,000%. So let's say you would put $1,000 in and be patient. You get a nice entry point, and then you use a very good risk to reward leverage like a 9x or a 10x, and you make 5,000% on a $1,000 trade. That's $50,000 in profit, guys. That's more than a lot of people are making in a year. So that's why you need to be prepared. Make sure you're watching all my videos. Join the VIP group where we give a lot of insights, a lot of signals for you, and many tips for trading and investing. Now let's go and check out also the altcoin market just a little bit. We have ordinals back at $81, guys. Ordinals are printing and printing again. I think we are here at the higher, almost creating a double top again, but as we can see, we had this double top formation here also for ordinals, and we managed to break through. So let's see, maybe will this repeat again or not. The price target for that I think would be, what are the legs here, like a probably the same like here, like a $20 move, probably like $100 ordi would be the price target for that. Now let's go to one project that I really enjoy talking about, and I think it's one of the most undervalued projects, since a lot of blockchains are using Chainlink. And Chainlink, I think it's one of the important players in the crypto market, because a lot of projects are using Chainlink to communicate with other blockchains and get information from other blockchains. So that's why I'm very bullish on Chainlink. Here we have our trading setup right here. This is where I'm gonna put my entry at $12.80. I have also some entries here just on spot, but here is where I'm gonna open a trade. I think the risk to reward ratio is massive. So here at the $12.95, that's where I'm gonna open my trade on Chainlink with the risk to reward ratio of is 3. I think we are gonna wrap up the video for today. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like down below, share this video with your friends, comment which altcoins you are looking to buy, what do you think about the spot ETF, what are the chances that it will get approved in January, what is your opinion, and what you are gonna do in both scenarios if the ETF gets approved, if the ETF doesn't get approved. Make sure you share your opinion in the comments, share this video with your friends, don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.